So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in ILovePDF is you can go ahead and if you have a scanned PDF file, you can perform OCR as well. So over here, you can see that if I were to scroll down, you can see that OCR PDF is an option. You can even access out that tool by going around over here onto all PDF tools right here. And over here, you can see that OCR PDF is an option. So you can go ahead and select out a PDF file with a plain scan file. And then if you were to go ahead and click on open, then you can go ahead and choose the language that you want to detect right here and click on apply OCR. So once you do that, it'll go ahead and recognize out the text on the PDF file. And then you can go ahead and then download out a proper PDF file right here. So you can see that I got sample 1 now right here, where you can select out the text. Whereas in sample right here, just like this, you cannot select out the text as you can see, because this is in the form of an image right here, just like this. But here you got a selectable text right here, just like this, that you can go ahead and copy out and then paste it out wherever you want. So you can go around over here and let's say, for example, paste this out, and you can see that from the picture, the text is selectable now, right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and perform an OCR in PDF to make sure that the text that you have in PDF file, even if it is scanned, is selectable right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.